Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mountain bike helmets with camera mount that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the GoPro Vented Helmet Strat Mount for all cameras, our budget-friendly option. This mount is perfect for those who already own a vented helmet and want to add some action-packed footage to their rides without breaking the bank. The adjustable strap design makes it super easy to attach this mount to almost any vented helmet, and it's compatible with all GoPro cameras. Weighing just 1.45 ounces, it's lightweight enough that you'll barely notice it's there. In terms of build quality, GoPro is known for its durability, and this mount is no exception. The strap holds firm even during bumpy rides, so you won't have to worry about your camera coming loose. However, because it's an external mount, you won't get the same sleek integration as you would with a built-in solution. This does mean you can use it across multiple helmets, which adds to its versatility. While this product is functional, it's best suited for casual riders or those on a tight budget. It's not the most secure option for extreme sports, but for its price, it gets the job done. Pros include its affordability, ease of use, and compatibility with a wide range of cameras. On the downside, it doesn't offer the seamless design or enhanced stability of higher-end options. At number 4, we have the Lixada cycling helmet for adults, a versatile option featuring a detachable chin guard and visor. This helmet is ideal for riders who want the flexibility to switch between a full-face and half-face helmet. The polycarbonate outer shell and EPS foam lining provide excellent impact protection, giving you peace of mind during your mountain biking adventures. Plus, with 18 vents, this helmet is designed to keep you cool during long rides. The build quality is solid, with a lightweight construction that doesn't compromise on durability. The adjustable fit system ensures that the helmet stays snug and secure on your head. What sets this helmet apart is its multifunctionality. Not only does it come with a camera mount, but it also includes a goggles holder to protect your eyes from debris. The elongated rear design offers additional coverage, which is a welcome feature for riders tackling technical trails. On the downside, this helmet is relatively new to the market, so it lacks the extensive user feedback of other options. It's also a bit bulkier than some of the streamlined models on our list. However, if you're looking for a helmet that delivers versatility and protection, the Lexada cycling helmet is a strong contender. Pros include its full-face option, excellent ventilation, and multifunctional design. A potential con is its bulkier build, which might not suit everyone. At number 3, the Dango Design gripper mount for GoPro, Osmo, Insta360 offers an innovative approach to mounting your action camera. Unlike traditional helmet mounts, this gripper uses a jaw-like clamp that can attach to various surfaces, including the chin guard of your helmet. This design makes it highly versatile, with applications ranging from mountain biking to motocross. It's compatible with a wide range of action cameras, including GoPro, Insta360, and DJI Osmo, and comes with a safety leash for added security during extreme activities. The build quality here is impressive. Made from durable materials, the gripper mount feels robust and reliable. The dual torsion spring mechanism provides a firm grip, even on irregular surfaces. This mount is also rotatable, allowing you to adjust the camera angle for the perfect shot. At just 3 ounces, it's lightweight and doesn't add unnecessary bulk to your helmet. While the Dango Design gripper is an excellent mount, it's not a helmet. You'll need to pair it with your existing gear. This makes it a great choice for riders who already own a helmet, but want a high-quality, flexible camera mount. Pros include its versatility, secure grip, and compatibility with multiple camera brands. Cons include the fact that it's a mount-only product, which means you'll need to invest in a separate helmet. Coming in at number 2 is the Bosor mountain bike helmet, a high-quality option designed specifically for cycling enthusiasts. This helmet features an integrated in-mold PC shell with EPS foam for excellent impact resistance. It's lightweight at just 310 grams, so it won't weigh you down during long rides. The built-in camera mount allows you to capture all the action without needing additional gear, And the detachable visor is a nice bonus for those who transition between mountain and road cycling. The helmet also boasts 15 large vents for optimal airflow, keeping your head cool even on challenging rides. The adjustable fit system makes it suitable for a wide range of head sizes, from 55 to 61 centimeters. The comfortable chin pad prevents chafing, and the overall design feels secure and ergonomic. It's compliant with US safety standards, which is always a reassuring feature. While the Bosor helmet excels in functionality and design, it's not the cheapest option on this list. Additionally, its built-in mount means you're limited to using it only with this helmet. However, if you're looking for a helmet that combines protection, comfort, and the ability to record your rides, the Bosor is a fantastic option. Pros include its lightweight design, excellent ventilation, and built-in camera mount. Cons include its relatively higher price compared to some alternatives. Finally, at number 1, we have the Mongoose Capture Bike Helmet. This premium option delivers a perfect combination of safety, comfort, and camera mounting capabilities. Designed for riders aged 8 and up, this helmet features a durable ABS shell and 15 strategically placed air vents for maximum airflow. The built-in camera mount is GoPro compatible, making it easy to capture your rides hands-free. The adjustable dial fit system is a standout feature, allowing you to customize the fit for 360-degree comfort. The full-range internal pads ensure a snug fit, while the lightweight design prevents the helmet from feeling cumbersome. This helmet complies with US safety standards, so you can trust that it offers excellent protection. The Mongoose Capture is versatile enough for both kids and adults, making it a great all-around option. Although it's the most expensive helmet on our list, the Mongoose Capture justifies its price with its thoughtful design and high-quality build. It's perfect for riders who want a helmet that prioritizes safety and performance while also enabling them to film their adventures. Pros include its premium build quality, adjustable fit, and excellent ventilation. The main con is its higher price point, but for its features, it's worth the investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.